welcome back to my channel. My name is Young and I'm just going to jump right into the makeup tutorial here. As you can see, my eyebrows are like gone, so I do draw them on. This product is from EcoBrow and they did feature me on their Instagram post, so I'm really like excited and happy because I've been using their product ever since middle school and I'm a college student now, so that just tells you how great their product really is. Now I am going with a foundation for my concealer because this is the only color that kind of matches my skin tone. My actual concealer that is a little brighter, I like to use that under my eyes, and that's a different color compared to my eyebrows shaping concealer. I am blending that out with a beauty blender, and guys, I really can't handle when girls have their eyebrows carved and the concealer is just like so bright and white. It just doesn't look really natural, so I really like try to make that color match my foundation color as much as possible. So yeah, just a hint for you girls, if you guys are starting makeup just freshly, just make sure your makeup matches your skin tone. Now I've been hearing like so much reviews about the e.l.f. primer, so I did put that on, and now I'm going with a really nice concealer. This is actually a shade darker than my actual foundation shade. I like to put this under my foundation because it just makes the skin look so flawless and so clear. Honestly, this is like a full face of makeup, but I didn't do like my lashes or eyeliner in this look because I feel like I've been doing so much of those in my other video, and it just feels kind of nice to just do a regular, natural makeup look once again, because I don't know, you can never go wrong with just a natural look. Now I am going to blend that foundation that I used on my eyebrows all over my face. This is the foundation that actually matches my skin tone, and as you can see, it might look a little whiter than it should be, but after the contouring, the blush, and everything like that, trust me, just trust the process, you'll look bomb, okay? Now I am contouring a little bit higher up for my cheekbones because I really want that lift. So yeah, that's why it's so high up. And when you blend, honestly take your time and make sure the product isn't like gone, so it's still there. I am using the Wet n Wild one, and I love this one so much. If you've been watching my videos, it's featured in every single video because it's so creamy, so pigmented, so easy to use, and it lasts so long. So go ahead and go grab yourself some at your local store like Walmart, Target, anything like that. Actually your local drugstore. And as you can see, it's so pretty, right? Go get yourself some. Now this is how it looks like right now, and we are continuing it. Now since all the product I've used until up to this point are kind of like dewy product and it's not matte, I am using a powder from Fit Me. I'm using also a flat brush and just dabbing it onto the powder onto my face where I see shiny spots, and honestly I just do that all around the face until I can't see any shiny places on my face. And take your time, and I used to really like bake my face, and I just realized that it's not that good for your skin, so I'm just carefully dabbing powder on my face as if it's gonna make a difference. Yeah, I will do a skincare video soon, so yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned for that. say take your time, I really meant take your time. Jeez. Yeah, make sure you look really, really pretty and flawless here. Take your time. Now I am using the Wet n Wild contour powder. I love this contour powder. I feel like they complement each other so well. The liquid contour one and the powder one. So that's why I'm using them together. I've always been, been doing that, and it's just something that I'm used to. So yeah, just go through the same process of where you contour, but just go over it with powder. Now we're contouring the nose. I am using a little more of a fluffier brush and just contouring my nose. Now this is like really, really important because sometimes when you contour it with let's say like the liquid one, and you go over with powder and everything, it just seems to feel like it's not there anymore. So I like to go over it again with an actual powder contour, and that just makes the nose really pop. So that's what I like doing. I also put it on my cupid's bow and under my lip because it enhances how your lip looks like. Okay, I have very small lips, but since I contour my cupid's bow and under my lips, it looks really full and pretty, and you don't even need lip filler. So just contour, and it's the illusion of the shadows that really matters. So I am going with like a peachy blush first for my base, and this one is from Whaley Hong's. Is it Hong? I don't know. I hope I pronounced her last name right. But her palette launched, and it's definitely at your local Target, so go buy it. And yeah, now I am definitely gonna go in with a more pigmented blush because I do like to mix my blushes to make it look more kind of like a natural color. So this one is from Wet n Wild, and it's more of a pinkish color blush, and I just put that all over my face. Yeah, it looks so natural and pretty, right? Now for the lips, I am using Natural in the lip liner in NYX, and it's so pretty. I just put that under my lips and on top of my lips, the lining part. And what I like to do is I kind of like to bring it down and blend it with my full entire lips, just because it looks better that way. I don't really like when it's like a harsh line on my lips, so I like to blend it with my fuller lips. And now I'm going in with just a more reddish, orange-ish lip tint, and it's so pretty. It's not too matte and not too dewy, so I love this lip combo. I am going in with some Carmex because I don't know, the weather has been like so weird, and sometimes my lips be chapped, so we have to put some Carmex on there. It's so pretty. It looks like I have lip gloss on, right? Yeah, I know. And I do curl my lashes because I do have Asian eyelashes, so once I curled them, I just look more awake and my eyes just looks more opened up, especially if you're not going to wear lashes like how I am in this video. Definitely get yourself an eyelash curler. It's really a game changer. And then I'm going in with the mascara. I think it's called No 7. I got it at Target, and it was pretty pricey, but I bought it. It's like this fiber kind of mascara, and extends your lashes. I've been loving this one. I tried the Kiss one, and it was just too, I don't know, it was just too weird. But this one I really like because it's so easy to use, and it's not like sticky where it's like stuck to your lashes where it's hard to take off. And now I am just brushing my eyebrows with the mascara because it just really lays the what that. Last but not least, I do go in with highlighter, just putting that on my nose bridge, my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, and under my eyebrows. Those are just places where when someone look at you, they'll see it glowing on your face. So yeah, just do that. Hi guys! If you guys made it this far, might as well like and subscribe to my channel. I do have an Instagram, it's at Yong. I'll put it somewhere up here. Make sure to follow me, I'll follow you back. And yeah, just inbox me some inspiration